Meet Dave, the IT guy. Once upon a time, Dave was at peace with his network. But one day, Dave's network began to change. His users went mobile, and their apps moved to the cloud. They guzzled bandwidth everywhere, and from so many devices, Dave couldn't keep count. Dave's users had shiny new devices and slick web apps, but Dave had to serve them with the same old networking technology, which meant buying more boxes and navigating an endless list of configuration settings, software packages, and modules. It was expensive and complex. There was no budget to hire more people and no time to go off for training. It all fell on Dave to figure it out. So, when Ray in accounting was streaming Netflix all day, a visitor in the lobby opened a laptop riddled with viruses, Nancy from the New York office couldn't get online, and the CEO couldn't read email on his iPad, it was all on Dave. Then Dave heard about Meraki. You see, back in the day, some brainiacs at MIT set out to build a really big network that ran itself. They developed a totally new network architecture, which we now call cloud networking. They knew they were onto something big, so they left MIT and started Meraki. Today, Meraki makes a complete family of networking products, from wireless LANs to routers and even security appliances. These have really powerful hardware, so they can handle all the devices and applications on today's networks, without needing a million other boxes. They're quick to install and easy on the eye too. But what's really clever is that Meraki's hardware is controlled from the cloud. Meraki has data centers all over the world, and every piece of Meraki hardware stays connected to these data centers over the internet. So now, the headaches Dave used to deal with are taken care of automatically from the cloud. Dave uses Meraki's simple browser-based dashboard to tell the network what he wants, and the cloud takes care of the rest. Dave has the capacity his users need and can manage security policies, applications, and users without stacks of boxes, costly training, new staff, or 1,000-page manuals. In schools and universities, hospitals, hotels, businesses, and factories, thousands of IT professionals like Dave have switched to Meraki. Finally, a network that simply works.